Family brunch, a delicious way to learn English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as cozy as a Sunday morning, family brunch. We'll explore what it means, how to use it, and why it might just be your next favorite English expression. Brunch is a combination of breakfast and lunch, typically served from late morning to early afternoon. When we add the word family to brunch, it emphasizes a casual, homey gathering where food and company are equally cherished. It's not just a meal, it's a social event that brings people together. The concept of brunch started in England and became popular in the United States in the 1930s. It's a weekend affair, where families or friends take the time to slow down and enjoy a meal without the rush of weekday routines. Incorporating family brunch into your vocabulary is easy. You can say, "We're having a family brunch this weekend," or ask, "Would you like to join us for family brunch?" Family brunch is not just about food. It's a cultural phenomenon that signifies relaxation, conversation, and bonding. In many cultures, sharing a meal is a way to celebrate togetherness, and family brunch encapsulates this beautifully. Want to host your own family brunch? It's simple. Gather your loved ones, cook some of your favorite breakfast and lunch dishes, and enjoy the time spent together. Remember, the key ingredients are love and laughter. We hope you've enjoyed learning about family brunch and are inspired to incorporate it into your weekend plans. Until our next video, keep practicing your English and savor the moments that bring us together. Happy brunching!